Watch this, watch this. Yabba 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 doo, yabba doo, yabba doo. You know, I was never into Flintstones. I know it was like 2 generations behind me or whatever, or 1 generation, I don't even know. 2 generations sounds right, but I've just never been a Flintstones kind of guy. I know them shorties on there been wearing almost near nothing clothes. The whole booty, homie. You could have walked it. We didn't need to see you juggle it through the streets. But yeah, I was never into a Flintstones kind of guy. What was I into? Totally Spies? Woo! Totally Spies. If you guys didn't watch Totally Spies, homie, something wrong with you, man. Totally Spies is amazing, homie. Totally Spies is amazing. Drink and drive and watch from motorcyclists. Speed kills, don't. Don't what? Don't twerk, don't work, don't snort, booger sugar, lick a liver, lick a liver, lick a liver. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, Totally Spies was my jam, man. And since we're on this topic, I wanted to give you guys a little update on the whole ride and review anime series. A lot of stuff happened last year. I don't know why. It just, I was in a funk. I was still watching a little bit of anime here and there, but I didn't watch as much as I could, or I was, you know, I would. I don't know, trees, forest, I don't know. Wrap it up, slime it up. Like a 69, pass it to my slime. I'm writing and rapping at the same damn time. What more could you ask for me? But yeah, Ride and Review anime series was on a bit of a hold. Last episode or last series we were watching was Naruto Shippuden, which I'm still watching-ish. I've watched a good chunk. I need to review it. There's just been so much going on in my life that I didn't really get the chance. The bikes were all in the hyperbolic time chamber, you know, getting work done, so I didn't really have a chance to really go out and ride and review anime. Basically that's it. I didn't have time. Bikes were getting worked on. I had work stuff going on. I had personal stuff going on. I was touring the country national twerking championships. They call them twerking ships. I'm playing now, but still. If you've never been to a party, or if you've never been, not to a party, maybe a party easier way. If you've never been a part or seen a contest of twerking, a twerking contest, man, you haven't lived life. You have not lived life if you've never been part of one. You have not been alive if you've ever been part of one. But again, I'm gonna try to stick to the topic as much as I can. Baki-kun. You know what? From now on, I want you guys to refer to me as Saiyan. Always do. Saiyan-kun. Lambo. Oh. But he's driving all slow, so nah. But yeah, I want you to go. I don't know what the Kun Sama-chan means. Jackie Chan, I don't know what that means. But I'm thinking you guys should call me Baka-kun. Baka means idiot, I think. Adjective or noun, I'm not sure. Call me Baka-kun. Saiyan-kun. Saiyan-sama? Oni-chan? I know that means brother or sister. I don't know which one. But it means some sort of sibling. Call me that. No. Call me Daddy-kun. No, that sounds like cooties. Daddy-sama? No. How do you say daddy? Not daddy. How do you say daddy? Daddy, okay? Dog way, daddy. How do you say daddy in an anime? Or no, oh my god, in Japanese. Okay, I'll take Daddy-kun, Daddy-sama, Dog-sama, Dog-kun. You gotta emphasize the kun though. Like coon skin, dog-kun. Nah, but literally, seriously, figuratively, speechlessly, metaphorically, literally, bodily fluids. But yeah, call me Baki-kun. We watched that. I watched Love is War. What else did I watch? I'm watching Kill la Kill. I'm still watching Naruto Shippuden, watching Hunter x Hunter, or Hunter x Hunter. I don't know what to say it. I'm pretty sure it's called Hunter x Hunter, but I gotta say Hunter x Hunter because the X is there, so I gotta say X. Hunter x Hunter. We're watching High Rise Invasion. I watched like the last episode yesterday. We're watching Invasion ID. You watch this other detective anime. Oh, we watched Shiki, that thing about vampires. Robert Pattinson and some chick be getting it on. It's called Shiki. He gets a bad hickey, and then he wants to get in bed and get a little licky. But the girl said no, because his bottom downstairs would be icky. Remember Fairly Odd Parents, Icky Turner? That song, Icky Vicky, something like that. Yeah, man, push it. Cheetah Girls. Push it to the limit, cause we're in it to win it, oh yeah. But yeah, we're watching a lot of anime. We watched Baki the Grappler, we watched Baki-kun. I don't know, Hanma Baki-kun, Onichan. Mustang, dude, you need to ride on your freaking lane, dog. Tell me what's swerving. We got Promiscuous Girl playing. But yeah, we're watching a lot of shows or watching anime. I just gotta find time to ride and review. We're gonna be working on this bike. We're working on the V4, wrapping it. We're working on Nimbus. It's stupid. It is the stupidest thing to work on every bike at the same time. Work on one bike at a time while you ride the two other bikes. That's my goal from now on. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I'm working on each bike, which again, stupidest thing ever, but I'm doing it. And now that I'm doing it, I can't stop till I finish it. So that's the reason that we won't be having some ride and review. The main reason for no ride and review anime is because I've been busy with other stuff. A lot of stuff's been going on in my life. Bikes have been working. I've been in the time chamber training it up. Also, we're watching Dragon Ball Z again. I want to share that with you guys. I want to share it saga by saga, not episode by episode, but saga by saga. We're watching a lot of stuff. I got a lot to review. We're watching it all, except like 2 of them. We're watching everything in original Japanese. We're watching none of that hoe stuff and dub, alright? When she says kun, when she says Oni-chan, I want to hear the original Japanese hoe saying it. Japanese girl saying it. I want to hear that emphasis of her throat saying it. Alright? I want to feel it in me, on me, around me. I want to feel it. So, because of that, we're watching everything in original Japanese. So when you're watching original Japanese, I read subtitles because I don't understand when she says Oni-chan. I don't understand that. I don't speak Japanese. So it takes more effort to watch subtitles. So sometimes I get lazy and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to read. So I end up not watching it. But we've got a lot of anime that we already finished. Like I mentioned, Shiki, God, Love is War. I think season 1 and 2. Overlord season 1, 2, and 3, I believe. A little bit of Naruto. I don't know, a mix of a ton of stuff that we watched, ton of stuff that we're watching. Hunter x Hunter, I really want to watch that and review that with you guys. I'm gonna do that arc by arc because it's a big one. Naruto Shippuden is the only series that I'm not gonna do arc by arc, but episode by episode. Maybe I'll do other ones episode by episode. I don't know. I might not. I'll decide. I don't know. I think saga by saga, arc by arc is good for a lot of the bigger ones. Even though Naruto's a big one, I just feel like with Naruto, I want to do a chunk of an episode, which basically is a story arc. You know what? Maybe I'll do a story arc for everything. I'm saying episodes is basically story arc though for Naruto. Anyways, watching a lot, have watched a lot. We'll be recording anime stuff a lot. I did receive a lot of DMs from you guys and messages that where is the continuation, did I stop? Because I did mention in one of the series, I mentioned that one day I'll stop making these episodes, and that means I've stopped watching anime. But honestly, I've watched so much, nothing else compares. I'm not gonna lie. The stuff they can show you, the stories they make, CGI just isn't there yet. Unless you got a big budget, CGI just isn't there to show you stuff that anime shows you. Throw in the original voice acting, which is amazing. The animation is just, it's too much, man. It's just too amazing. The thing that I hate the most is that I wish I watched it earlier. Oh, Death Note. We watched Death Note. I wish I watched his hose earlier, man. There's so much out there that I want to watch and share with you guys. I wish I did it earlier. But it is what it is. We did it when we did it. And now we're just going to do it however we can do it, we're going to do it. I'm excited to share everything with you guys. But yeah, man, we're watching a lot. We're enjoying a lot. I'm not going to stop watching, man. I am not gonna stop watching. Them hoes be too good not to watch, man. Them hoes be too sweet not to watch, man. I'm happy there's no one here to clown on them streets, because that's when I talk to you guys. But yeah, I'm watching a ton, alright? So we're gonna be having a lot of these ride and review anime episodes. I haven't decided if I'm gonna have a designated day for them like I used to. I think it was every Sunday. I haven't decided that yet. But once the bikes are done and I'm ready to give you guys that content, which is very soon, just a few more weeks, alright, few more weeks, and then I'm gonna run through each of the animes just so I can, you know, remind myself of all the stuff that I want to talk to you guys about. Plus I took down notes. I'm telling you guys, I'm deep up in there. I am deep up in anime right now for you guys, alright? Them hoes is for me. It's like it was made for me, man. That's the type of stuff I want to watch. That and twerking, alright, made for me. And I was made for it. But we're going to be sharing a lot of that stuff, or I'm going to be sharing a lot of that stuff. There's no we, it's only me and you guys. So it is a we, never mind. But yeah, we're going to be sharing a lot of that with you. I still haven't decided if it's going to be a designated day like a Sunday like I used to, or it's just going to be part of the 3 videos a week that I usually do, or I'm trying to do. So I haven't decided. But it's going to be all emphasis on that. We're still going to go to Supercar Alley on all the bikes. We're still gonna have fun with all the hypercars, the supercars. We're gonna sprinkle in anime on top of it. You know why? Because it makes my heart happy. Huh? It makes my damn heart happy. So be happy for me. Alright? But yeah, so just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Still watching, still enjoying, never gonna stop. Hopefully never gonna stop. A lot more to come once the bikes are ready. This bike's gonna undergo plastic surgery in the hyperbolic time chamber to do some bomb-ass training, and she's gonna come back like a more of a dime piece than she's ever been. She's gonna be faster, she's gonna be louder, she's gonna look good for all of you guys to enjoy. And we're gonna ride around, we're gonna enjoy the streets. You guys are gonna enjoy this beautiful voice, screaming and loving it, laughing it up, all for you guys to enjoy. Riding Insane is always going to be making ride and review anime series episodes, and hopefully then we won't skip a beat. We won't be skipping any beat, just like she don't skip a beat. We won't be skipping a beat. But yeah, I don't know what I said or repeated or whatever, but a lot more to come. Hope you guys enjoy it. Just be patient, alright? Your boy hasn't stopped. Just be patient. And once it starts, ooh, it ain't gonna stop. It ain't gonna stop. This is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me. Because I love you, and I'm out. Peace. I don't even know if you guys heard the kiss, but I blew you a kiss. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. No front camera, but I blew you a kiss. I don't know if you heard that because Kakarot be so loud. Loud and proud, but she my girl. Alright. So until next time, I'm out. Peace.